Do you eat doubles?
What?
Do you eat doubles?
I love doubles. Doubles is like, no, seriously. Doubles in Trinidad is like jerk chicken in Jamaica.
Right.
That's why when he said jerk chicken or curry chicken, I had to take the shot. Right? Drink champs forever.
But you fuck with doubles. What's your favorite version of doubles?
My favorite version of doubles is the one that dude don't like.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, wherever in the Caribbean or in the diaspora you're watching from. In today's video, I want to talk about Usain Bolt. So Usain Bolt earlier this week did an interview with a popular Jamaican podcast, The Fix, where he spoke about the $12 million that was missing from his account 2 years ago. The next story, Vybz Kartel. So Vybz Kartel concert for Trinidad and Tobago that was scheduled for February 28th, postponed until March. So these two stories I want to cover today, so let's talk about it. Okay, so first, Usain Bolt. So Usain Bolt sat down with the Fix podcast earlier this week where he spoke about a lot of different things. And one of the things that came up was the $12 million that was missing from his account 2 years ago in that SSL scandal. And he spoke about his disappointment that nothing has been done about his missing $12 million. Just imagine $12 million missing from your account and nothing has been done about it. So just take a listen to what Usain Bolt had to say and we'll talk about it.
Dirty Jamaica! Hear you. With that being said, we've heard how much you talk about, pride for country and how much you give back to the country. Oh, this SSL saga right now that's going on for about 2 years? 3 years now?
Two.
You know, because you've been put out the cryptic message. You know. How much does it hurt you, this whole saga, knowing how much you've given to this country? You've kept silent for the most part. The most you see out is just a cryptic social media message. Post them. How much does this hurt you?
Well, it tough. Tough to know say it happen, and then this a go on this long. And this kind of make me look on who I am. I want me the things which part me did there on the food chain in Jamaica. Like, if this happened to me and it's going to have 2 years and I can't see back a dime.
Shit.
Yeah. And I said, Jaja, is a man say you really evaluate like, yo. Cause me must have old people say, yo, you still at Jamaica? Why you still at there? I say, nah man, I love my country. My country love me and the people them and government, everybody. I feel like we're on the same page, you see me? It look my hard, brother. And then through over time how it has progressed and what I expect, me not get. Or me think me don't see and the help me not get from certain people and you know see me as a judge.
In terms of, like from government, is it from the government perspective?
The government alone really can't do nothing. Big about this, you know what I'm saying? And them are the only person who can go in and say, yo, this need to fix.
Yeah.
You understand?
And how active are they in it, in the case?
It's been 2 years.
Yeah.
So
because what the communication is, because they're a private company. SSL is a private company and they can't really go into SSL matters other than to regulate them, deregulate them.
Jamaica will live in. But they get the technical terms now.
Okay.
Yeah, technically, but people can feel because there's been conversations. You understand? But nothing has materialized out of the conversation.
You feel like them are doing enough to try to solve things?
Nah, brother. If personally, if they were doing enough, it would have reached a certain level already. It's been 2 years and we can't say, me can't come to you now and say, all right, you reach us, all right, we'll look up or we'll look down. It's not there no way. This is like almost at a stalemate, isn't it?
Okay, so that was Usain Bolt on the Fix interview, just giving his account for the past 2 years with his experience of losing $12 million. Just imagine losing $12 million and 2 years later, nothing. Not a red cent you can get back. And I believe that when this story came out, when this news broke, like most Jamaicans at the time would think that the government or the authorities would do everything in their power, whether seizing of assets, whatever they could do, tracking money, because at one point we heard that the FBI was involved in terms of tracking all of this money, seizing assets, and making sure that Usain Bolt and the others would get back, even if it's half of their money. But as you see, Usain Bolt said 2 years later, nothing at all. Haven't heard from the authorities, no update on if he's going to get back a fraction of his money. And it is tough because Usain Bolt is a national treasure. Usain Bolt has put Jamaica on the map at a different level. Usain Bolt and Bob Marley, two of the people who pretty much everyone in the world know about Jamaica because of these two guys. When over the 3 Olympics where Usain Bolt was pretty much carrying Jamaica on his back, like created a legacy, like everywhere you go as a Jamaican, worldwide, you feel proud being a Jamaican because people were just looking at Usain Bolt doing this thing that no one has ever done before. And to believe that a national treasure, to me, a national hero, Usain Bolt, still can't hear anything about his money. You know, so guys, sound off in the comment section. Let me know what you thought about this story about Usain Bolt coming out for the first time, talking about his missing money and haven't heard anything from anybody yet. Sound off in the comment section and let me know what are your thoughts about this. And the next story we want to talk about is Vybz Kartel. So Vybz Kartel had a concert scheduled for February 28th, and we got word that the concert was postponed. There are a lot of speculation because of, you know, the Beanie Man doubles scandal, that what if the authorities didn't want Vybz Kartel to perform or they didn't want him in Trinidad. But now we are hearing that the concert was postponed because, and now we have heard that the concert was postponed because of logistical challenges. And, you know, that makes sense because knowing that Trinidad Carnival is in February, like I was actually like very surprised that Vybz Kartel concert would have been within the same time period of Trinidad Carnival, because we know Trinidad Carnival, Trinidad is full, overflow with people during February for Trinidad Carnival. So to have a Vybz Kartel, a concert, you know, the one Caribbean festival at that time, I thought that was not a good idea. So to hear that it was postponed because of logistic challenge, that makes sense. So here's an article taken from Trinidad and Tobago about what really happened. Fans eager to witness Vybz Kartel Adidja Palmer highly anticipated concert in Trinidad will have to wait a few more months, as the One Caribbean Music Festival, originally scheduled for February 28th, has been postponed to May. In a release on February 8th, the One Caribbean Music Festival said event postponement was caused by unforeseen logistical challenge. The high value of back-to-back events at our chosen venue, Queen's Park Oval, due to Carnival, has significantly impacted the time needed to create the best possible festival experience. Okay, so that was the article from Newsday. So if you are in Trinidad and Tobago or you're anywhere in the Caribbean and you're planning on going to this concert, just sound off in the comment section and let me know if you're excited about seeing Vybz Kartel in Trinidad and Tobago coming in May. Sound off and let me know. And guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. And remember, peace. I'm out.